Use upcycled Safari Limited figurines to add a stylish touch to a bottled beverage of your choice. Using PVC pipe cutters, make a straight cut along the base of the neck on your chosen figurines. If the cut is not completely straight, you can touch it up using an X-Acto knife. Spray paint your figurines in a well-ventilated area, completely coating one side. Allow to dry before turning over and completely coating the other side. Hot glue the base of your figurine to the top of a reusable bottle cork. Remove the lids from your chosen bottled beverage and reseal with your new Safari Limited corks. Another option for this craft is to use figurines from one of Safari Limited's many spectacular tube options. Hot glue to the top of the bottle cork and then tape off the cork section. You can then spray paint it a color of your choice. When it is completely dry, remove the tape, unscrew the lid to your bottled beverage and insert to reseal. These themed bottle toppers add a festive air to any celebration.